Now about this importance and the wujub, imperativeness of Jum'ah, let me give you 3 ahadith. Imam Abu Dawud rahimahullah, he reports from Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. Al-Jum'atu ala man sami'a al-nida. Jum'ah is mandatory for every Muslim who listens to the adhan. If he has listened, he must respond. People who live in that vicinity of the mosque, that the adhan has reached their ears, now it becomes mandatory for them to respond and go to Jum'ah. The second hadith is from Abu Dawud rahimahullah. Al-Jum'atu haqqun wajibun ala kulli muslimin fi jama'atin. This Jum'ah prayer is farz, it is mandatory. It is essential for every Muslim. And this can be offered only in congregation. You can't offer Jum'ah prayer separately. If you, due to some reason, couldn't join the Jum'ah congregation, now you will be praying Zuhur. Jum'ah you are deprived of. That has gone. So in Jama'ah, it can only be offered, this prayer can be only offered in congregation. Al-Jum'atu haqqun wajibun ala kulli muslimin fi jama'atin illa ala arba'in. Only 4 are exempted. It is not farz on 4. Who are they 4? Abdin mamlukin, a slave. Because that slave doesn't have the authority of his own. He is owned by his master. His time is owned by his master. So if his master allows him, only then he can go. So for him, it is not wajib, it is not farz. Aw imra'atil, and women. On them it is not farz. If they join, okay. But if they don't, there's nothing, they have not committed any sin. It is not wajib, it is not farz. Aw sabiyin, or children. Children, on them it is not farz. Aw marizin, and fourthly, whosoever is ill and sick, he also, he is absolved of this responsibility. Third hadith. Al-Jum'atu ala man abahu al-laylu ila ahlihi. Jum'ah is firm and mandatory for every person who can reach back to his family before night. Because this Jum'ah congregation was not offered and not held in all the villages. There are a few houses somewhere, but they can't hold the Jum'ah prayer there. They must go to some place where Jum'ah is being held. But what should be distance? If a person can start in the morning, the distance is such that he starts in the morning, he offers his Jum'ah prayer, and then he can return to his family before the nightfall. Then his Jum'ah is essential for him. He must go and offer the Jum'ah with congregation. Al-Jum'atu ala man abahu al-laylu ila ahli. Now these are the 3 positive ahadith